Black medic, aka black clover, is an aggressive weed that quickly grows over turf. This plant grows fast and competes with your desired plants for water, nutrients, and sunlight, leaving your lawn patchy and vulnerable to pests or disease. In this video, we'll go over how to identify black medic, how to control these weeds on your property, and how to prevent them from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Alternate names for black medic include black clover, hop clover, and yellow trefoil. This weed grows low, less than 12 inches tall, and spreads out up to 2 feet wide. The seeds grow trifoliate with 3 leaflets. Each leaflet can grow up to 7/10 of an inch in length, and the tips are slightly pointed. Black medic looks similar to white clovers, however, white clovers have more rounded leaves that do not have pointed ends. Another characteristic of black medic is its hairs, especially along the stems. The stems grow prostrate along the ground and may grow slightly upright. Black medic blooms from April to July. These yellow flowers grow in clusters of about 10 to 20 smaller segments. The flower head can be up to 6 millimeters in diameter. After flowering, black medic will produce black, kidney bean-shaped seed pods. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Black medic grows in disturbed and low-maintenance environments, especially in compacted or nitrogen-deficient soil. You can find black medic growing in areas like lawns, agricultural land, gardens, and driveways. Black medic germinates in early fall and spring. Flower and seed production starts 6 weeks after the plants emerge. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of black medic that's already established on your property, you'll need to use a post-emergent herbicide. To control black medic growing in areas with warm season turf, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. If you have cool season turf, keep watching for a different product recommendation we'll cover later when we talk about prevention. Back to Fahrenheit, spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.2 ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotech. Nanotech is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. To get rid of black medic growing in areas where plants shouldn't be growing, check out Eraser 41% glyphosate. This non-selective herbicide will eliminate any plant it is applied to. Just mix 2.5 fluid ounces of Eraser into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 300 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your solution in a handheld pump sprayer. Be sure to mark this sprayer for non-selective herbicide use only to prevent cross-contamination in the future. With your solution of choice, spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. After applying Eraser, you should see results within 2 to 4 days, but a second application may be made after 4 weeks. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new black medic from growing from seed, check out Dimension 2EW herbicide. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent new plants from growing from seed, mix 0.73 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the product over your treatment area, Then, after 6 hours, water the area with about half an inch of irrigation. We also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solution's 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When established properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will control established weeds. Furthermore, mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density, reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop black medic from establishing, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.